Do you ever find yourself seeking inner peace and happiness, wondering how you can achieve it in your hectic life? If so, you're not alone. Many of us are on a constant quest for contentment, a journey that often seems elusive. But what if there was a simple method to tap into this desired state of bliss? A technique that can be practiced anywhere, anytime, and by anyone. This technique is meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool that goes beyond relaxation. Its two main components, tranquility and mindfulness, work hand in hand to cultivate a sense of inner peace and happiness. Tranquility allows you to achieve a state of deep, physical and mental calmness, while mindfulness empowers you to perceive the world as it truly is, not as you wish it to be. Are you ready to uncover the simple secret to happiness? Well, keep listening because it's time to delve into the world of meditation. Meditation is not as complex as it might seem. It essentially boils down to two main components, tranquility and mindfulness. Tranquility, the first component, is all about finding inner peace. It's about achieving a state of calm, both mentally and physically. Imagine a serene lake undisturbed by the winds, perfectly reflecting the surrounding scenery. That's tranquility. It's a state of being where your mind is not disrupted by stray thoughts or external disturbances. It's a space of pure calm and peace. Now let's move on to the second component, mindfulness. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present, of perceiving the world exactly as it is, not as we wish it to be. It's about acknowledging our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It's about being aware of the here and now, fully immersed in the present moment. Both tranquility and mindfulness are critical in the process of meditation. They interplay and balance each other out, like two sides of the same coin. Tranquility allows us to reach a state of calm, to quiet the mind. Mindfulness, on the other hand, ensures that we stay grounded in the present moment, fully aware and accepting of our experiences. Now, how do we achieve these states? There are various meditation techniques that can help. One common method is focusing on internal sensations or mental images. This might be the sensation of your breath flowing in and out, or perhaps the image of a peaceful landscape. Occasionally, emotions can also be used as a focal point. Alternatively, some people find it helpful to focus on external objects, like a flickering candle or the sounds of nature. Meditation can also be combined with breathing exercises. Breathing not only helps to relax the body, but it also serves as a grounding point, a constant to return to whenever the mind starts to wander. So there you have it, tranquility and mindfulness, the two main components of meditation. By cultivating these states and using techniques like focus and breath work, you can embark on your journey towards inner peace and self-awareness. Now that we understand the basic components of meditation, let's explore the benefits it offers. The benefits of meditation are far-reaching, impacting our physical, mental, and emotional health. The science behind these benefits is robust, pioneered by the likes of neuroscientists like S. Lazar, whose studies between 2005 and 2011 revealed fascinating insights into our brains. At the core, meditation boosts neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and change. Lazar's research showed that those who meditate regularly experience no degradation of the brain cortex, a phenomenon usually seen with aging. In fact, the cortex of meditators was as thick as that of non-meditators who were 20 years younger. This preservation of the brain structure means higher cognitive functions like prediction, planning, decision-making, and judgment remain sharp. But meditation doesn't just keep our brains youthful, it also fosters a heightened sense of self-awareness. The practice allows us to evaluate and compare our plans, ideas, and memories with clarity. It keeps our capacity to feel empathy and love intact, even as we navigate the complexities of life. The psychological effects of meditation are just as profound. Regular meditation helps to reduce tension and anxiety, alleviate guilt, and enhance mood. It fuels productivity and reinforces self-identity. Positive personality changes, including increased spontaneity, self-confidence, and a readiness for love and risk-taking situations, are often observed. Irritability decreases, energy levels rise, and an enhanced awareness of one's needs and feelings emerges. Psychosomatically, meditation brings about improved sleep and physical condition. It weakens dependencies, reduces the risk of heart disease, and normalizes blood pressure. It even increases our pain threshold. It's a practice that promotes a sense of unity with the world and harmony within ourselves. It elevates our self-worth and brings us closer to understanding and fulfilling our needs. All these benefits can be reaped from as little as 20 minutes of meditation twice a day. It's a small investment of time for a wealth of physical, mental, and emotional gains. With such profound benefits, it's clear why meditation is a practice worth incorporating into our daily lives. Now, let's talk about a simple meditation technique that anyone can try, the Shavasana Technique. Often known as the corpse pose in yoga, this technique is a powerful way to reach a state of deep relaxation. It begins with you lying down on a mat. Make sure you're comfortable, as this is crucial for the success of the practice. Next, keep your legs relaxed, allowing them to naturally fall outward. Your arms should rest by your sides, palms facing upwards to create an open posture. This position fosters a sense of vulnerability and openness, crucial for achieving inner peace. Then focus on breathing evenly. The breath is intimately connected to the state of the mind, and by regulating your breath, you can achieve a calm and balanced state of mind. Now comes the most important part, mentally relaxing each part of your body. Start from the tips of your toes, gradually moving up to the crown of your head. Visualize each part of your body, your muscles, your bones, your skin, releasing tension and sinking into the ground beneath you. This mental exercise not only helps in achieving physical relaxation, but also promotes mindfulness and introspection. The recommended duration for the Shavasana technique is a minimum of 7 minutes, but feel free to extend this period if you wish. To exit the pose, inhale deeply and start moving your fingers and toes. Gradually stretch your arms and legs before sitting up slowly. Remember, like any other skill, meditation requires practice, so don't be disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. This journey invites you to explore the tranquility and mindfulness within yourself, leading you to your truest form of inner peace and happiness. Remember, the recommended duration for meditation is 20 minutes, twice a day. But don't rush, take your time, and let the journey unfold naturally. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Here's to your journey towards inner peace and happiness.